Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures over here on the Essential Stencil page. So we have these cool sunflowers and I did mess mine up right here. So y'all, this does come complete right here, but I set it on something else. And then we have this page right here. So let's work on some summery folly projects. Does that make sense, guys? And what I want to do, I haven't done this with a sunflower in a long time. So what I want to do is I want to do a white as my base, black as my middle, and then a stained color up at the top. All right, guys. We're just getting this base bottom done. And like I said, we're doing 3 different kind of layered effects. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove our frog tape. This is why I love frog tape. You always get that nice, gorgeous line. Then we are going to come through with our black line. There we go. I'm not going to wait on those sides to dry. Got a little bleed with that right there, but we're going to cover that up. So then we've got that right there, guys. All right, so this is just walnut, dark walnut. It's a water-based stain. And now the stain will definitely go underneath your tape, so be careful. But let's get this top part stained. Shop towels around. We're going to wipe this back. I'm going to get all this dry. Very, very dry. All right, guys, so I do have on a low grit sandpaper, so I'm going to sand this, but I am going to sand it very lightly. When we have low grit papers, I got low grit on both of them. I should have changed them out, but just be really careful because if you sand too hard, you're going to go back down to that natural wood. So on the edges, I'm good with that, but I just want to do it kind of lightly. Okay, let's cut this out. Okay, so if you use a transfer, just peel it back. When I have the bigger transfers, I always lay it face down. Okay, now, refocus. We've got our transfer. We are going to lay it down on our surface. All right, guys, so all we're going to do is varnish this in real quick. I'm going to be really, make sure those edges are varnished so it doesn't cause an issue when we're transferring everything. Let's remove. What do y'all think? All right, we're gonna leave that one right there so y'all can look at it in the background. Let's do our second project now, guys. Thanks for the little detour on that as well. Okay, so I have one of our wooden butterflies. So you want to make sure your surface is dry. If it's wet, it won't stick. Dustin, oil free. And got that one. And I was waiting to see oil free on there. All right, guys. So we are going to use the autumn flowers. So we have these right here. This one is going to use a little more transfers than our other pieces we may do. But y'all, I'm fine with it. I want to use my transfers. I'm going to do this one first, guys, because like I said, we're going to have it coming out of the other arrangement. So, and it has our little ladybug right there up at the top. Okay, so this one I'm definitely going to have a little extra. I'm going to try a little harder on the sunflower over here. Okay, so let's put this kind of come in like that. You'll see what I'm doing. I just kind of altered it from being horizontal to go up the side of my surface. All right, we're just gonna put this kind of coming off right here. So we've got our stem to the side. Y'all, I almost picked up my sander to do that. Where are we at? I got 5 minutes. We'll be done. Yay. Okay. I will get it done in time, y'all, without going over, I think. We'll be close. We will be very close. We'll do this. We'll just put it kind of like this. I'm covering it up. So if you've ever wondered if you can put a transfer over a transfer, the answer is yes. We just did that. It's our little secret. So y'all watched it start to finish. So if somebody watches the replay, they'll never even know that there was a falling leaf there. Okay, guys. What do y'all think? Ah! I'm loving it. Okay, let's glue the middle and then we'll decide if we want to add anything else. And then we'll be done with this project. To recap, we used the sunflower stencils just to make a really cute cutting board. Display cutting board. Now, if you want to make that food safe, you can absolutely use a hemp oil over it, or a like a tung oil, hemp oil, or a food safe resin, okay? And just let it do its curing time, which is about 27 days, okay? And then we have our beautiful butterfly, guys. And what I'll do on this is I'll just get some, what do you call them? Some wire and just glue on the back some little antennas. So there's our butterfly. We cut them. We do cut them. Would your stick fast stick wood to a plastered wall? I don't know the answer to that. I normally only use it on flat surfaces, and I'm thinking it would, but it's gonna adhere for good. It's like a super glue. So y'all let me know down in the comments, which one do you like better? Do you like the butterfly, or is the cutting board more your style? Let us know down in the comments, guys, and I will see y'all next Friday night at 7 p.m. Central, and of course you can catch me over on my page on Sundays at 1 p.m. Central, guys. So y'all have a blessed rest of the weekend. If you are going to get anything that we show tonight here over on the Essential Stencil page, my code craft treasures together, so 2 T's, will save at checkout. So y'all be blessed, have a fantastic weekend, and I will see y'all next Friday. Bye, guys.